friends, right now we're going to make a really scary jack-o'-lantern. Ah, it's so scary! So right now, all we need is construction paper, a black marker, and a scissors. That's all. If you want to color it in, you may. But on this jack-o'-lantern, there is nothing I will ruin. But maybe I will. So right now, we are going to put it in, fold the paper in half. If you're really excited about how it's going to end up, you may pause the video if I'm going too fast and so you're going to have it half like a book. Then we're going to use our scissors to cut out a pumpkin
Stem.
and then the entire big body. There, so let's put this aside for now. So we look at our pumpkin. Ooh, look at it, it's so cool. But do you think it's cool enough? No, I said we're making a jack-o'-lantern. What is this? A pumpkin. So, right now we're going to fold it again. But don't be sad. Here is an eye. Right now it looks pretty small. Okay, let's see. Ah, that doesn't look good. Well, it's fine, I guess. So we're having something right now. Here, how about we have the nose like this for now? Then we'll take this, bend a different half until it goes like this. Now let's cut out an eye. Wow. Let's put our scrap aside. And voila, we got an eye. And now let's take the other half. And then cut out another eye. Maybe we actually don't need this black. So right now I'm just working on the mouth. I'm going to work on the So let's open the entire Let's make this guy happy. If you don't
Rainbow.
if it comes out really ugly, like I think mine is really ugly, I'll show you how it looks
Rainbow.
in a while. Ah, it looks so ugly.
Yeah.
If you don't want an ugly
You don't want
jack-o'-lantern, you don't need to add any teeth.
So
That make
I will wait you.
so. Let's,
I want
so see for now. Let's close in the rest of the smile. and take out this part of the smile. Here is how it looks. So sorry that I paused the video and there's something going on. So right now, this is the complete part of my entire jack-o'-lantern. It kind of looks sad. Oh, so sad. It's alright. So we might need the black crayon right now to add some spooky stuff. Now let's get started. Now I'm making a bat. But I think this is kind of not how I was planning it. Jack-o'-lantern video. If you like it, subscribe on Nona TV, and I hope you make a wonderful jack-o'-lantern. Bye!